Oh my goodness. Someone's got the same idea as me. Yeah. I've got camera envy, I think. There's a guy with a head on top. I don't know what that's for. What that represents. Oh, look at that. Whoa, did you see that? Did you see the swans? See if there's any more around. God, I wish I had one like that. My eyes are watering. I think there's a refreshment stall at the end there. I might head there in a little while. I wonder where the Morris dancers are. It's not often you see a Magdalen Bridge on a high street like this. Normally you walk along here, you get killed instantly. There's not a traffic in sight. Strange gargoyles, I wonder what they represent. All kinds of thoughts. Maybe been carved at the same time as the reptilian statue inside, or maybe they're more recent, I don't know. God, this is where I walked earlier this morning, do you remember? And it was pitch dark and pouring with rain. Well, it's still pouring with rain, but it's not so dark now. Yeah, that's a lovely shot, that is. Magdalen College on the tower. There's a story that one of the Dons was walking along. Look, you see, there's people up there. There's a story that one of the Dons was walking along here one day, and he saw the tower wall wobbling and weaving from side to side. Now he put it down to, he thought that was a portent that it was about to fall down, 9/11 style. Chances are more like he was just blind drunk. Starting to break up now, I think. I still haven't seen the Morris dancers. God, I have the Morris dancers. Where are they? I think there's something going on further down the street. I'll go and have a look. See you in a minute.